back for the Gold Cup qualifier, Hamilton BMX 2023. The track is dialed, it's dry, it's being rode in even more. I had my clinic this morning. It was a great little clinic. Got to focus on a few riders, give them some real good attention, which is even better than having the big clinics, in my opinion, where you have a lot of riders. It's really hard to give your riders a specific amount of attention, especially if they really need it. You kind of run them through the gates. All right, so let's check out this track. Track is dialed. We got a lot of people here for the state qualifier. It's gonna be a good day. It's not too hot. All right, Titus. Come show me something, Max. Gotta get the OLBO guys to send it here. About to do it. Come on, Chris. Come on, Peterman. I want to see something, man. Got him. Yeah. Hope I would be in front of you that time. Extended time. Yeah. A big deal. All right, I didn't give you any practice laps today. Just coming back and talking to you. Let's see who is around here at the track. Let's see if we can talk to some people. So we got Scott. Scott is doing the announcing today. Mr. Scott Smallwood, Small Bus, Mr. SE in Ohio.
Reggie's is in the house today. Team A&E's in the house. Max, get in here.
Got photo shoots going on here.
Good luck, dude. Lauston's up.
Let's see how Scott's feeling.
What's up, Maurice? What's going on?
How you feeling, man?
I hurt. I've not been sleeping very well. How have you been sleeping?
I sleep good. I was at the hotel. So I was good for that little bumpy bed that I had.
I was on a couch.
With what, broken ribs still, right?
Yeah, broken ribs.
How many?
3 posterior. We'll get there.
So if you guys know I had like 3, 2 in the front, 1 in the back. So us old guys, we don't bounce back.
It's not fun. Kids eat Wheaties.
Yeah, eat your Wheaties, wear a helmet, a good helmet.
And maybe a chest protector?
Yeah, see this guy, he's crashed so many times, he doesn't wear a chest protector. It's a neck brace.
That has changed.
He's changed it finally. It took me to blow out my shoulder to do it finally.
S1
yeah, see, she's definitely got it. So everybody needs it. So I'm gonna Scott do his thing. He's still talking. But see what else is here. What's up, Cole?
TK is represented today, I believe. John's in the house. Shannon Williams, AA Pro from Central Ohio.
This is our highest point of the track. The best view of this whole facility is right here. I feel it's right here, see?
Right there.
Even the beautiful Ray is right there.
Hey, actually, my best view was right there yesterday in the corner.
Ray says his bike is cursed.
100%.
Wasn't this the bike? No, it's not the bike that I ran into, right?
What?
That wasn't one of the ones that got tacoed in the back, was it? No.
No, it's the one that's caused me 2 concussions and a broken finger, though.
And then somebody else rode it yesterday and blew his ACL out. So I think he needs to hang this thing up.
Yeah.
Nah, he ain't gonna hang it up. You're gonna see him in the turn.
I went 2 classes and borrowed a 20th.
This dude is an Iron Man for sure.
Maurice,
Yo.
go down there to that table. I'll help you.
Okay. Yeah.
Use that arm to your advantage. I would have extended the most heartfelt appreciation to the Johnson family. Carl Johnson, I love you. I think you are a fantastic person. I think you are the creative team and I've been for a long time. It's great children, and you have done a great job on this track. I've heard some rumors that you maybe will not be the track director next year. But I appreciate what you have done. You, Adam, your family, all your help over the years. You are loved by everyone here. We thank you. And this looks fantastic today. We're very lucky to have you.
Yeah.
Riders ready, watch the gate.
I'm just having fun jumping shit.
Yeah, you know. At this point.
Riders ready, watch the gate.
Gonna hold that too high nose. Peterman will get the win overall.
Good job, buddy. All right, that was the main. So today I got second, first. So total points, so overall, just first place. It was a good weekend, good day today. Not too bad. What up? Chris gave me some good competition out there. Got him on the last one, but he got that first place. He's kicking my butt all day today, all weekend.
And yesterday.
All weekend, but kicking my butt.
I'm gassed though. I'm finished.
I can tell.
I'm finished.
It's all gonna lead up to a fun time, I'll tell you that. All right, I'm gonna get these mains.
Got it.
There you go.
Come on, Tom.
Get up there, buddy. Get up there. Come on, Brad.
Come on, Tyler.
Come on, Tyler.
Back up there.
Into the second term, we roll 871 on top of that. And Hillbrand. Hillbrand's from the show.
Come on, Chuck.
Ready? Watch the gate. Random start. Right. Ready? Watch the gate.
The 635 is your winner. Two spots. Gonna go to the 266 to the 149 down here in Seymour, 2 and 3.
34. Get up here on the flag.
I don't know that Chris Bentley has lost the ball all weekend long. He's back on top of that. One out of 10. Bentley back on top. 1 2 8 5 3. That's Rob Jones. 1 2 3. One more time, okay?
Ready? Watch the
One
gate.
right there. Bob 29 is doing her. Bentley number 1. Joe Hollis is 2 and 3.
Go, Red, go. Get up there, buddy.
kicking butt.
Step on the gas. Go ahead, Dad. Take off running.
You can go through. I got you, Cole.
Take off running. Hey, we'll see you next weekend. Yes,
Go, Grady!
Come on, baby! Go, Grady, go! Keep going, Parker, you got it! Keep on going, you got it!
Come on, Kelsey!
Hey, Ryder!
Go, Kelsey!
Let's go, Kelsey, good team! Go! Up! You're good, jump up! Okay, go, Kelsey, go! Go, do it, go!
I live by that. Come on, Nate! Five! Come on, Nate! Let's go, Mason! Dig deep, buddy! Go! Right there! Go! Keep going! Hey, finish strong! Let him roll! Come on, kid! Mikey, you're my hero! Go, Mikey!
Right back out. Get some jumps. I'm gonna put that thing at the level.
Yeah, buddy. Come on, Joey! Go, Dale! Cut him! Go, Joey, go! I thought it was. Come on, dude!
I know y'all saw that moto. Yeah, that's my fastest rider, my national champ from the Dominican Republic, Newton Garcia. Let's check out some of these old guys on my team. They're about to do some jumping. Ray, like, you want to do a pump race?
Ray, nope. Do I want to go with you with a turn, Ray? Nope.
Nope.
Table!
We got 2 more minutes right now, 2 more minutes. Foster, Brew, and Wagner. I got Mike. Mike Foster, I lose on something coming out here to spoil a Ohio State race. I appreciate that, brother. The 3-5 short the competition to get it done. Rock up the 1.
That was the mains for today. Excuse me. We got a little buddy that wants to talk to me. Let me find him. All right, I found one of my little buddies here. I just met this guy. He races his first, like, basically year racing. This is his friend. He's hanging out with him. So So what's your name, buddy?
Sawyer.
Sawyer, what's your last name there?
Doritos.
All right, so you're gonna be looking for this dude. So what class do you race in? Do you know what class you race in?
8 novice.
8 novice. All right, so he's an 8I, and I think he got first place today, right?
8 novice or 8?
Or excuse me, 8. Sorry, I said 8I. 8 novice. He got first place today. He's kicking some butt. He's seen my vlog, so like he was telling me here a little bit ago, he sees everyone, he shares them, he likes them. So make sure you do the same thing. So what's your favorite thing about racing so far?
Just having fun.
That's what it's about. You want to win, you want to do good, but you want to have fun. The first thing is always having fun, right guys?
Yeah.
All right, it's a wrap. It's been a long, hot weekend. We've had rain, sunshine, humidity. It's been a great time. All right, so I'll be in Akron next weekend. Flat pedal old fools, or not, sorry, not even the old fools anymore, it's just the flat pedal race. And then Sunday, the state qualifier Akron. Catch the next vlog. Like always, I want you to like, subscribe, comment, hit that bell notification. Make sure you share this stuff. And I'll see you next time. See ya.